Kani kadai kadu Ration Meghalaya bagi pediang sengbai pi baro syakatuk kubor menta gajan mit. Syaban pai syaki kubor ki babnya ini pechwa yakimat pakongsan. Lipat ba Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ya kasurok Sunamak Tunnel Hajamu Bad Kashmir. Lipat ba Menteri Rang Bak Gajala ya kaskul ba ka beningkong Bandai try da Gajala kata ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Peli perda Menteri Ketenat Sports ya ka Lempung Meghalaya Games ke Bahan Riau bat pelat bat ba ya ka syap jong ka Lempung Meghalaya Games ka Jingrai bat ubawan ra bok ukyang. Ni laipo nyungut ki samla puli bandek isimenta ha ka science exposure trip arajar apusan. Budget ka Aga Khan Academy Talent Identification Program yaki kena puli ki start ki badai nagi cakan nong kendong jong Gajala Meghalaya. Ki kubor ki babnya. Menteri Rang Badu Jongkari Narendra Modi menta kasngi ulap lipat ba bat ainam ru ya kasurok krem lani ka Sunamak Tunnel syakari barok kawai kabadan ha Ganderbal District jong ka benta Pedeng ke Kashmir. Ki Menteri Sarkar Pedeng Nitin Gadkari Dr. Chirendra Singh ulat ke Jammu bat Kashmir Manoj Sinha Menteri Rangba Omar Abdullah bat kiwe kilaya don lang ha kani kasngi. Menteri Rangba du ularung bat ulayat ru hapo kani ka tunnel banjurep yaka. La pentip ru ha syapang kani ka project. Kani ka surok Sunamak Tunnel kan sa pendunai ka por late por wan tang hapo ka arpau hadu arpau san minute hapdeng kashnong Gagangir bat Sunamak ha Ganderbal District.
साथ हमारे श्रमिक साथियों ने अपनी जान गंवाई, लेकिन हम अपने संकल्प से डिगे नहीं, मेरे श्रमिक साथी डिगे नहीं, किसी ने घर वापस जाने की कहा नहीं, इन मेरे श्रमिक साथियों ने हर चुनौतियों को पार करते हुए इस कार्य को पूरा किया है.
Menteri Rangba Gajala Meghalaya Ukonrat ke Sangma ulap lipat ba ya ka skul ba ka benengkong ban long try da kani Gajala kata ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University ha ka sni nengkong uni umau mer upen ya ka sinjam ka bakong san ha ka jingkiu ha ka puli puthi jong Gajala kani ka skul ba ya ka ba la ai da ka kerteng jong Menteri Rangba u benengkong tam jong Gajala Captain Williamson Sangma katemu ban kentie wiki kam wat benya ki kam ban pen kala thamai bat ki jing pen kala ya kurukom pule puthi jong kani Gajala ha kani kasni lawan ban yashibenta da bungut ki kenram ki lendan jong Gajala ki bakan thop ya ulampang ke ying dorbar thau an Gajala Thomas Sangma sembut Menteri Rangba ba sneo bhalang dhar Menteri Ketenat pule puthi rakam Sangma bat Menteri Ketenat boarding eti mondel ka University Grants Commission kala deb itu ya ka jingseng ya kani ka skul ba katkum ka section 2F jong ka an UGC Act kat khandai spa san pohn riu
had no option but to affiliate to NEHU. Recently, Government of India has introduced the condition of the CUET exams, which must be taken by the students applying to any college affiliated to central government universities, including NEHU.
Menteri Ketenat Sports uba Shakliar Wachri rengkat bat usyongkonor ka muda uba wailat miki shela kilapan pau pat ba ikijing play perda ya ka Lempung Meghalaya Games ka Bahan Riau ha ka program ka Balalong ha District Auditorium Library ha Jowai menta kasngi ha kani ka program Menteri Ketenat Sports ula palat pat baru ya ka syap jong ka Lempung Meghalaya Games ya ka jingrai bat uba wan ra bok lani maskat bala ai kerteng ukyang kani ka kerteng kadai ka dak kashin ka bapen pa wi ka jinglong jong ka jing im ki nong ya le lai luoj ha ki por ba menor bat ya ga ji shakri ba klem shong thai chungki Haba ai jingkren hakani kasngi Menteri Ketenat Sports ulapen pau ya gejinglong bakongsan jongki kami lekai sports ha kaban wanra ya gejing ya teli bat gejing ya kop kibas ngau tenat hapreng kisamla kejela Meghalaya ulaban jeru ba gejing ya lekai sport kalong kum karensan ban kenjo syakithong baper ha kalempung National Games.
The Meghalaya Games, like correctly mentioned by the Honorable Minister, does not only provide our youth, our athletes a platform, but it is something that we have decided that we take it to every district of our state. And through Meghalaya Games itself, most of the schools, most of the colleges, the Darbar slums, the entire district, they receive a lot of infrastructure which is to be used by them after the 6 Meghalaya Games.
Hakapor ba ka Sarkar Meghalaya kalabu hakmat ban kentiu ya kapuli puthi hakalyang ka science ka State Council of Science, Technology and Environment Meghalaya kelas dang ya ke science exposure trip arajar alhusan na kabenta ki samla puli ki ba nagicakan nong kendong ki balai shimbenta haka cingalang ba science congress hakani gejela hausnem baladem menta kasni ka kenhun jong laipo nyongwat ki samla puli ki lami bandia shimbenta bat hapo ubnai kelalengkot hadu shispa saupon riungwat ki samla puli ya ki bala phia haki sau kenhun ken salet yuk chat shakijaka puli science ki ba khampau kum ha Kolkata, Chennai bat Bengaluru.
These are the students who have participated in the National Children's Science Congress in the previous year, 2024, and we are giving this opportunity to them so that they can get themselves exposed, get themselves new learning and skills by interacting with scientific institutions in different states of the country.
And this exposure trip is organized to those students participate in the science congress organized by the state, and then this is opportunity for them to go and explore all the scientific institution organizing by the different state council out there in Karnataka and Tamil Nadu.
Ka Darbar Shnong Shangling mentakasi kelayakendu ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi Abilash Baranwal ban ucor ha kabayadai bat kecingwan tep turmur ya kawe ka medyap bom dan bakam terai ha ulum cing tep jong kesnong. Hapo gajing alam urang ba shnong uba James Mayong bat Secretary shnong uba Vincent Sokwai. Ka Darbar Shnong kala bancur halor kecing kia jong kani kecing jia bat kira kenturu ya Deputy Commissioner ban tuklar kam klo ya kani kakam. Haba ai jubab Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwal la pentikna hakilat patai kubor ba unsa shimkia ya kani kakam.
Nilai kendo UDC bat nakaliang UDC uang bahapo gine ki arsngi unsa khot ya ka jingyalang hapdeng ke town committee police department district administration kumju bat ka Darbar Shnong bat hakane ka city ka bangilabu ya UDC nilabu ro katto katne kimat jingdawa.
Their complaint is that the way it has been done is not proper, as a result of which the dead body has been mauled by stray dogs, and it's creating a public health issue in the village. So they have requested for us to intervene and to take up the matter with police authorities and Nongpur Town Committee to ensure that any dead body, whenever it is buried, is not only in the knowledge of the village authorities but also it's buried properly so that it does not create any public health issue.
Ka kenhun ki kenthei na tersu mentakasni kelalet ban yakendu ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi bandawa ya kahok banyo ya ki Ration card kumbalamang lingba ka an National Food Security Act arajar khatlai palat chispa ngut ki kenthei kilaya lumlang ha office jong UDC ha kaba kilapan ching penchai halor ka ching bom yo changki ya ki Ration card nadu usnam arajar khatwei haba ai jingren nakalyang kani ka kenhun ikong yo ilut lingdo ila ong ba ka jingwan changki kalong ban yakendu ya UDC bandawa ya ki chubab u Abilash Baranwal ula kubur ya kani kejing sngau kuslai jengki ula pentiknaru hakmat kani kekenhun ba unsa khmi halor gijing jengki bat unsa persyangru ban pensngau ya gijing jengki syaki bor badai khmi
kena kalian jumi ke banguan banyak penduduk ADC kan kasi kalong ba bangin wan ban komplain ni kita kibayo ki Ration dari wan bandawa ya ka hok long beriu jumi kun kinong snong kiba syong hapo jong karin dia hi barbawe kun ki long snong jong kari kidon hok banyo ya ka Ration.
One lady, Srimati Lindo, she had raised one complaint in CM Connect wherein she requested, wherein she complained that she had applied for ration card but she has not received it. So our office has conveyed this information to her that first of all, we do not have fresh ration cards to allot. As and when a new census is done and new sanction is obtained from central government, and we are in a position to allocate more number of ration cards, we'll take care of her. And this has been conveyed to her in writing as well.
Ka Aka Khan Academy Talent Identification Program kajiat bat penwando riki kena puli ki bastad ki badai na kicakan nong kendong jong gejala Meghalaya da ka ba ailat iki ban puli ha kecaka puli jongka ha Hyderabad. Man la usnem la ciet saungut ki kena puli hadian balale bun benta gijing bisyar benia bat menta usnem la ciet na peneng ki saus pa ngut ki kena na keleng ka sortura Shillong Jawai nong stoin bat nong po u Dean of Admission u Arjun Puri u lapan pau ya gijing la jengki samla gejala Meghalaya bat u lapan pau ya gijing kermen halor gijing no senyang jengki hadian habun habakren halor gijing ha kabaya dei bat gijing pep school shitengpor u la bancur ya gijing don kam ban penlong ya ka puli puthi kabala ban kring bat wanra cingkela.
So as Sir mentioned, this is the second time that we are here. We tend to conduct these assessments in the utmost meritorious manner. So there's absolute fairness and transparency. So we work very closely with the education department. They conduct a first-hand research to ensure that qualified children are meritorious and deserving to be part of the assessment. That's the most important thing.
I samla Minerva Walang ibadang arpo arsnem karta nakasnong nong mensong Shillong ilala ban kinjo syakaching job ka bakraw kaching trang dik chang I nado ba idang rit ban long in nong nya dingsun lani pilot ilala ban pen urlong shisha yakaching po snew jung I lengba kaching kuching mut scam bat kaching yaisha hitrang tungin yasha skor yakani ka kubor
pilot naka Chimes Aviation Academy kabadan Hajala Madhya Pradesh kabadai ka jingjab ka bakongsan ha ki kamnya lingsun jong I da kani ka jingjab jong I lala menta banwat ikilat ki kabu bat ki company penyat lingsun ki bakampau kaban yalam ru ya I ban khamjan shaka ban yo penheri ki lingsun ki barat ba bala jutip kum ki Boeing bat ki Airbus kajingya lenti jong I ru kaya takhu lang ba kajing ki stat jong ki company lingsun hapo ri India Definitely,
there have been some challenges. It's because I think most importantly was because there was like lack of counseling and idea regarding this field. So when I started off, I was completely blank because I not know anybody around me who has already been exposed to this career. So I did not really have any kind of guidance from the people around me. So what I used to do was like I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos. There are a lot of pilots who are bloggers as well. So that is how I started learning about about aviation. The representation from the Northeast region is quite less. So what I think most importantly is the counseling. If there could be somebody who could come forward and put some light about this and talk about aviation, about the setbacks, the challenges, and how rewarding this career could be, I feel would be very helpful for the youth.
Dakabapai kmat biang sa kijing job jong I isamla Minerva ilapan pa ya kajing sngongo kabakraw ya ublay nong bu nong tao bar ya kikme kikpa jong I kibalaya kershan klem dak kertiang den ya I ilapan pa wa kajing duna hakaliang kajing nang jing tip syapang ki kampen heling sun hakajala Meghalaya kalong kum umau jing thot bat ilaya ro ru ya ki vlogger ki badai ki nongnya ling sun ki balapha ai kajing tip ki bakong san Kikme kikpa jong I Usatyendra Kumar Joshi ba ikong miris tela walang kilapan pau ya kajing sngau sarong jong ki halor kani kajing job jong I.
I'm grateful to God, and because her of His grace and that He has been there always, we could do it till now, and I feel very proud for my daughter because of her sincerity and her faithfulness towards the studies that she wants to be and in the profession that she wants to achieve. For that, I'm very, very proud of her. And of course, I'm proud of my husband. He is the backbone behind all this.
Here, my daughter, she wanted to become commercial pilot, and me, I have guided her the way I wanted, and she has fulfilled her dream. And I'm very happy that she became a commercial pilot. And for that, I was always with her. Wherever she has to go, I used to accompany her. I used to go along with her, and I help her in everything in all her journey. Yes, we were facing little problem financially, but by the grace of God, somehow till date, we have cope up and we have done our best.
Hadian ba ila pendep ya kajing late school jong I hanong ba Shillong I samla Minerva ila banjur halo kajing don kam man yo kajing ya silok ba kajing ai jing mut ki ba kham ba ka ba ya dai bat ki kam ki jam ha ka than stay lam ingi jong kari ila pan pau ru batang khndiat ngut ki samla na ka ne ka than ki rung shaki kam ki ba ya dai ba ki ling sun na ka daw ba duna palat kajing tin lenti. Bureau Report DD News Meghalaya.
Mentangin pej kajing long jingman kasun beneng hatura. Kajing kreat kalong khat sau degree Celsius but kajing shed kalong arposan degree Celsius. Kajing ngam ka hau kalong nyo posau na kashispa. Haba pai pat chanong ba shalong kajing kreat kalong nyo point lai degree Celsius but kajing shed kalong khat rio point pra degree Celsius. Kajing ngam ka hau kalong nyo po nyo na kashispa. Kat bah jawai kajing kreat kalong pra degree Celsius but kajing shed kalong khat nyo degree Celsius. Kajing ngam ka hau kalong rio polai na kashispa. Ka sun beneng kanrang hatura bat hajawai kat ba hasilong kala bandon kajing hap slap bat kajing dumlo kandau ba malumala hakikat tu kat ni kijaka. Syuaban poi syaka bakut jong katop kubor ngin yapet biang sasisin yakimat bakongsan. Lipat ba Menteri Rang Badu Narendra Modi ya kasurok sunamak tunnel hajamu bat Kashmir. Lipat ba Menteri Rang Ba Kejela ya ke skul ba ka baningkong bandai try da Kejela kata ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University. Lipat ba Menteri Ketengat Sport ya ke Lempung Meghalaya Games ke Bahan Riau bat pelaj pat ba ya ke Sharp jong ke Lempung Meghalaya Games ke Jingruai bat ubawan rabok ukyang. Puli bandit isim benta haka science exposure trip arajar arposan. Batjit ka Aga Khan Academy Talent Identification Program yaki kena puli ki bastard ki badai nakicakan nongkondong jong Gajela Meghalaya. Paralok katung ila poisha kabukut jong katop kubor jengi menta kejan miat haduk bangin dai syambiang bat pi la syai kesngi kublai pi baro.
And proactive government initiatives have brought